In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag a company on LinkedIn. Tagging a company on LinkedIn is a simple feature, but it can make your post or comment much more effective. It helps create a direct connection to the company's LinkedIn page, makes your content look more professional, and can improve visibility when you're talking about a brand, employer, partner, or organization. The good news is that the process only takes a few seconds once you know where to click. To get started, open LinkedIn and go to the place where you want to write. This can be the post composer if you're creating a new post, or the comment box if you're replying to someone else's content. Once your cursor is active in the text field, begin typing the @ symbol, followed immediately by the company name you want to tag. As you type, LinkedIn will automatically start searching for matching company pages. This is helpful because you usually don't need to type the full company name before results appear. If the company has an active LinkedIn page, you should see a drop-down list show up beneath the text box with possible matches. From that drop-down menu, look carefully for the correct company page and click on it. This step matters, especially if multiple companies have similar names. Selecting the right option ensures the company name becomes an actual LinkedIn tag instead of just plain text. When the tag is added correctly, it will usually appear formatted differently from the rest of your sentence, showing that it's linked to the company page. After that, simply finish writing your post or comment as you normally would. You can add the rest of your message before or after the company tag, depending on how you want the sentence to read. Once everything looks right, click Post to publish it. A quick tip here is to double-check the tag before posting, just to make sure LinkedIn inserted the correct company page. If you accidentally choose the wrong one, it's easier to fix it before publishing than afterward. Also, if no company appears in the drop-down, try typing a little more of the company name to narrow the results. And that's all it takes. Type the @ symbol, choose the right company from the list, and publish your post or comment. Once you do it a couple of times, tagging companies on LinkedIn becomes quick and natural.